Hi, this is attorney Andrea Witt.
And I'm attorney Stephen Spano with a Legal and Financial Minute, or two.
In our last episode, we told you about two simple methods to get access to small Massachusetts bank and credit union accounts.
In this episode, we're going to tell you about a dangerous rise in defective durable powers of attorney that we're seeing and how you can avoid this trap, a trap that could cost you your life savings.
A durable power of attorney is a legal document that allows someone that you name to make contractual and financial decisions for you without the need to go to court for a lengthy, expensive, public, and uncertain process.
Unfortunately, a defective durable power of attorney will not have the powers that are necessary for a spouse to protect the assets if the other spouse is incapacitated or requires some type of expensive medical care.
By the time you realize that you have a defective durable power of attorney, it's usually too late to correct the problem.
On the other hand, an expertly drafted durable power of attorney will have all of the necessary powers to protect the assets of the married couple for the healthy spouse and avoid court.
We'll use an example of how a defective durable power of attorney can be a disaster and how the disaster can be avoided.
Our durable power of attorney example will use an actual case from this week. A husband came into our office with his two daughters because his wife, their mother, had a stroke and now requires 24/7 care.
Medicare and the wife's supplemental insurance stopped paying for the wife's rehab, and the husband began paying $585 per day for her care, or a whopping $18,000 per month.
After that, after paying for his wife's nursing home care for 3 months, he decided he would take his wife home. But since she needed 24/7 care, he learned that the cheapest home care was $35 an hour, or a jaw-dropping $27,000 each month.
The husband decided to sell the house, which has a lot of stairs, and move to a house that's easily accessible all on one level and closer to their daughters so they could help with the care and minimize the costs.
So he put the house up for sale. A prospective buyer made an offer on the house. They accepted it, and a date for the sale was scheduled.
He told us that a week before the sale of the property, it was discovered that the durable power of attorney was defective, and he could not sign the real estate sale documents on behalf of his wife.
He then told us that he was denied mass health benefits, which he hoped would pay for his wife's care because he was unable to get access to his wife's IRA with the defective power of attorney.
Unfortunately, the wife does not have the capacity to sign the documents to sell the real estate.
Nor does she have the capacity to sign an expertly drafted durable power of attorney that we would create for them.
A defective durable power of attorney is invisible until it's too late.
Now, unfortunately, the only option is to go to court.
Don't let this happen to you.
Seek out an expert, board-certified elder law attorney to avoid a disaster like this.
Join us for our next episode of a Legal and Financial Minute or two.
And remember, all legal and financial professionals are not the same. Seek out an expert legal and financial professional to protect you and your family.
We hope this Legal and Financial Minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you'd like us to address in one of our segments, or have a question regarding this or any other legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano, Dewicki & Witt at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.